Hey guys, today we are going to be revamping this lampshade. I'm going to show you how to take a lampshade and just transition it from one style decor into another. Here you see I have this beautiful gold or champagne color lampshade that I still love, but I wanted to just transition it from one style, which was my Tuscan style. I absolutely love the Tuscan decor and I was deeply into it, and I had my lampshade accented with this beautiful chocolate taffeta ribbon, and it is adorned with these beautiful crosses. I love it. But now I'm transitioning to another phase of decor, which is more of a glam style. I love my traditional pieces, but I wanted to just glam them up a little bit. So here I picked up this beautiful champagne rhinestone diamond wrap, and then I have this gorgeous ornament that I picked up from a store called Paul Michael's in my area. Absolutely love both pieces, and I thought it would be great to just simply adorn my lampshade and give it a whole new look. So I hope you find inspiration and new ideas to help you take your lampshades from drab to fab, or simply just give them a whole new glam over. Now you certainly can do this technique using any color lampshade, any type of adornment of your choice. But here I'm sticking with my champagne theme in my space, and I am going to give it a whole new life. Let's begin. You guys, I do apologize for some of the actual technique being out of frame, but I am simply using my glue gun there to attach the rhinestone ribbon to the lampshade